boys off to the test track. We're here. Should be fun. Wednesday morning. We'll flip the Kate cam and she'll be at the track. That's a wrap on today, Wednesday. Check in tomorrow, we got technical and everything like that. Yeah, Charlie and that road to test track, which you will have seen now. Having that cool little spot. Just been in this for a cold dip and it was recommended by Alexander Jones. Yeah, that's it. And then we're, technical administration, sound check. Bikes are going to Parc Fermi tomorrow. Sit in the rain for a couple of days before we ride them probably. That is it. Feeling great, feeling fast. As always.
How did the noise test go, Reese?
Yeah, really good. A lot quieter than Charlie. What did you get, Chaz? 109, I had a 105, so yeah, it's quite a bit quieter.
Team members.
Yeah, just there filming, we have a drink of water. The heat's getting to us now again.
Ready for some paint marks?
Yeah, ruins the bike.
Come on, Kate.
So here we are, all three bikes in Parc Fermi, ready to go. Got our little numbers in front. Helmets are looking really cool. Bike's looking mega. All good. Here's the professional vlogger himself.
Yeah.
Doesn't do any vlogging, does he really?
Well, fine, the phone storage keeps running out.
But
it's only just let me taking pictures.
looking good. Seeing him on Saturday. Sunday.
Sunday, Chaz, Sunday.
Sunday. Better to be early though. A little recce of what the Outriders got to do as we're just going around, doing test, checking out where their checks are and stuff like that for them so they know exactly where they're going. We've had a nice little coffee stop on the way as I got a little video of when the food arrived. And then we're just going up this, way up, going up this mountain. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then can't hack it, can he? But yeah, it looks pretty cool. So
yeah, right now we're just going to our paddock where we're going to see Kate, our team manager, have some lunch. Then yeah, ceremony this afternoon. Should be fun.
What about you, Ed? What have you been doing today?
Me, I have been recceing day 4 and 5, and we've just come from that amazing view test that everybody's seeing online with the lake in the background. What a spot. Yeah, good day. Had a little nap in the car on the way round. What did we do? Got in an Italian, traditional Italian coffee shop and had a little bit of early lunch.
Don't tell them that.
No, we shouldn't have told them that.
Welcome to ISD 2025 Bergamo, Italy.
We're here in Bergamo for 2025 6 days. We're currently doing the open ceremony and Tristan's just loving the microphone. Their battery's going to go flat shortly, but music's going, everyone's here, Team GP, you got Canada, Chile, Finland, Czech Republic, everyone else is here. Yeah, we'll see you in a couple of minutes and we've got some more entertainment.
Yeah. So thank you all for coming to support the Hafren Dirt Bike Club.
Thank you, the delegate team.
And thank you all for watching. Do remember, like, subscribe, follow us. We are Hafren Dirt Bike Club, heading towards ISDE 2025.
Let's go.